What's up, guys? This is Brayden, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get Flappy Bird. See, I will delete it. Delete. What you want to do, come to Safari, press on, type in vShare. It will take you here, press download unjailbroken. Once it downloads, it'll be right here. Click it. It'll say a thing, do you want to trust or not trust? Press trust. And then when you get here, press in the search, type in Flappy Bird, press search. Right here, press on it, it'll be under the apps section. It'll be right there. I already have it downloaded. So when you're going to press install, press back, it'll come to here, show it right there. When it's done, it will show it right here. And then what you want to do is you'll say, do you want to install? Press install, and it will install. Oh crap, I have to install it again, I forgot. Press install. Well, it'll ask you already right when it's done, but it'll ask you right here. Press install, press the home, and Flappy Bird is right there. Right here, Flappy Bird. It is the updated version. So that is how you get Flappy Bird, and I'll see you in the next video.